I welcome all to this short video message. It's in response to the DGISPR Asif Ghafoor Bajwa's press conference a few days ago with the journalists. Now, the way he manipulated all the facts and figures about the missing person, about the checkposts in the Pashtun areas, and some other issues. There is no point to go into the details to deconstruct them. There is a very, very simple and logical solution. As we think all the journalists, they are paid journalists. They don't ask the questions that could ignite or that could give the true face of what's going on around the Pashtun belt or the Baloch belt. The suggestion is basically that instead of the journalists, it will be a different sort of a press conference. Now, there should be some credible journalists sitting at the back, but they won't be asking questions. They will be just listening. And the second condition will be that this press conference will be aired on the national television and other channels as well. So we will come to know, the nation will come to know what's exactly going on and what are the grievances of the Pashtun people or the PTM. The press conference can be arranged anytime, anywhere, at any venue, with any other members that Asif Ghafoor Bajwa thinks or deemed to be supportive to him. On behalf of the Pashtuns, 15 to 20 members, either the followers of the PTM or the members of the PTM, they will attend that and will ask only 15 to 20 questions. If Asif Ghafoor Bajwa answers those questions, that will be a moment of pleasure. It will show to the rest of the nation and the international community what's going around and the grievances of the Pashtuns and the PTM members. It will debunk all their claims. The way Asif Bajwa, the DGISPR, claimed that the PTM and the other members are about to cross the red line, that is giving out to the army, or they have some slogans that are not favorable, deemed as favorable for the nation. It will show the true face why Pashtuns are on the wrong track. Now, during this session, it will give us a true picture. We won't have any grievances. We won't give out. Once we avail of this chance, it will also give a true face of the yellow journalism. We will be happy. I suppose DGISPR will be happy as well, answering the question of the people, that is face to face with the people who are concerned. I guarantee on behalf of the PTM that there will be no disrespect to any participant, either the journalists or the people representing the Armed Forces of the Pakistan or DGISPR. That's not our tradition. This is not the Pashtun tradition. So rest assured, there won't be anything that you will feel that you are not honored or it was disrespectful. I thank you all and looking forward to this offer. If any sensible person in such a situation, when it is pointed out everywhere around the globe these days, PTM has got being glorified, being the human rights that they are asking for their due rights. It will give a chance to the DGISPR that that's not the case. I am looking forward that DGISPR will prove them wrong and we will take the true path, not to cross the red line. Never cross the red line. We are not going to cross the red line. There is no chance to cross the red line other than the way that the thin red line has been crossed in the last 15, 20 years in the Pashtun belts. About the checkpoints, life is quite terrible. When you are going to your place with 120 checkposts, literally in 3 months, your ID card wants out. Looking forward with great anticipation Thank you very much. I hope this message is conveyed to the high authorities, and rest assured, no disrespect. Pashtun people, not disrespectful to anyone, still maintaining after so much happening in our belt, we are still respectful. Thank you.